Hi, welcome to the detailed analysis of the Nifty index price movement for a period of from July 1st to July 5th, 2024. In this video, I will break down the highlight of the shift in buyer and seller pressure sentiment that influenced in the Nifty index during this week. This video is for educational and informational purpose only. It does not recommend or advise any specific trades, buy or sell action. Before making any decision, please consult your financial advisor or do consult your financial advisor or do your own research. I am not a SEBI registered trader and I am an independent trader, therefore I am not responsible for any losses that may occur from the following information or suggestions provided in this video. Coming back to the video discussion, 1st July 2024 day is began with a bullish persistence. The Nifty 50 commenced of the week with a flat opening 23,993, signaling initial indecisiveness among the market participants. This opening price also marked the day low, indicating lack of immediate bearish pressure to push the price lower. Throughout the trading session, the index exhibited a steady upward movement, a clear sign of sustained buying interest. This gradual ascent can be attributed to the bulls overpowering the bears, gradually driving the prices higher as the day progressed. Nifty reaches an intraday high of 24,164, showing a case of the strong bullish sentiment. This upward trajectory was predominantly supported by the technological and banking stocks. And the session conducted with the Nifty closing the 24,142, making a gain of 131 points in terms of percentage 0.055 percentage. This positive movement formed a bullish candlesticks pattern on the daily charts, indicating a strong bullish presence following a small negative candle in the previous session. Coming to the July 2nd, July 2nd, 2024, a day of volatility and profit taking. The following day, Nifty opened the higher at 24,229, briefly touching the record high of 24,236.35 in the early hours. However, the initial boost was short-lived as the index swiftly wiped out of the gains and turned volatility of the remaining session. During the intraday volatility, Nifty managed to form the higher top and higher bottom, continues its upward trend, and bearish candlesticks formed on the daily chart. On Wednesday, July 3rd, 2024, it's a range bound and a doji kind of candlesticks formed. On Wednesday, Nifty shown a resilience after the previous day profit booking. The index opened higher at 24,292, quickly reaching a fresh all-time high of 24,309. Amid range-bound trading throughout the session, the market exhibited a sign of strength despite being confined within a narrow trading range. The behavior indicated a consolidation phase where the bulls are preparing for another push higher. By the end of the day, Nifty closed at 24,286.5, 163 points up. And in terms of percentage, it's 0.07, marking a new close high. The formation of doji candlestick pattern on the daily chart suggested indecisiveness in the market, with the price opening and close at the near the same level. This pattern typically indicates a potential reversal or a continuation depending on the following day's price action. The day's movement highlighted the bull's ability to maintain control despite the lack of significant upward movement. Coming to the next day, Thursday, July 4th, 2024, a day of consolidation and new high kind of a range observed. Thursday, the trading session was characterized by a narrow trading range as the market paused after the Wednesday gain. Nifty initially rose, reflecting some early bullish enthusiasm but fluctuated throughout the day. The index settled near its lowest point at 24,306.55, suggesting a lack of decisive momentum in either direction. Despite the intraday fluctuation, Nifty managed to hit 24,400 for the first time, a significant psychological level. The index closed 16 points higher at a new closing high of 302. The performance indicated a continuation of consolidation phase where the market digests the recent gain and prepared for the next directional move. The moderate gains and new high on a closing basis highlighted the market underlying strength, even as it showed a sign of short-term fatigue. Coming to the next day is a Friday's big day, July 5th, 2025, a sharp recovery and bullish comeback. The week concluded with a dramatic display of bullish recovery. Nifty started the day with a gap down indicating initially bearish sentiment. The index opened lower and experienced further weakness in the early part of the session. However, this downward pressure was met with a strong buy on dip action, reflects a renowned bullish interest. In the mid of the session, a minor upside recovery was observed, but it was in the later half of that market demonstrate a sharp intraday bounce from the low. This strong recovery from the day's lows, where Nifty staged a smart comeback and turned green in the late trade, underscored the bullish dominance. The index closed higher, filling the opening downside gap completely. The reasonable bullish candle was formed on the daily chart, characterized by minor upper and lower shadow. This pattern, also known as bullish counterattack, signaled a potential comeback of the bulls after the small dip. The day's performance highlighted a clear shift in momentum with the buyers regained control after initial selling pressure. Coming to the weekly analysis, the candlestick has formed a strong bullish candle, a tale of bullish persistent and tragic consolidation. Throughout the week, Nifty exhibited a pattern of bullish persistent and strategic consolidation. The interplay between bullish and bearish pressures was evident in the daily price movements, with bull ultimately maintaining control. The week started with indecisiveness but quickly transitioned into a strong uptrend supported by the technological banks sector's stocks. The midweek session showed the market ability to sustain gains despite facing the profit taking and intraday volatility. The formation of higher top and higher bottom indicated a continuation uptrend with occasionally a pause of consolidation. The week concluded with a robust recovery, highlighted the bull's ability to overpower the bears, maintain the overall upward trajectory. The week's price action narrative emphasized the market resilience and the strategic interplay between bulls and bears. The bulls' ability to sustain higher levels even in face of the profit taking and volatility points to the strong underlying bullish sentiment. As the market head into the next week, the focus will remain on whether the bulls can continue the drive price higher or if the bears will manage to exert the more significant pressure. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Stay for more updates.